I didn't think I was going to make it today on this April 7, 2018, but we had a favorable wind direction yesterday, and I saw the waves here from the Bay Campus Beach where my sister and I put the dogs down, and it looked promising, so here I am, everybody. Jason, Tony, Billy St. Pete, Scott, Tom Benzenhauer, all my other YouTube buddies and friends I've known for just a few years. So here I am, back at my home away from home. And we'll see what we get here today on this 4/7/18, number 21, as in Black Dark. Yeah, not bad on the wave, man. Okay. I've only had dreams of this place. Maybe I did recently, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to go down to my videotaping station here. At least this guy isn't making any noise like he did back on March 28. I made such witty comments about the dentist and everything. I know. Sometimes my mouth is bigger than my stomach when I talk about these worries. Wow. I tell you, man, I think it's a real pleasure to come here to videotape the waves. Not only because I enjoy it, but my T-Storm buddies, Jason from Raytown, Missouri, Tom Benzenhauer, Paul T, many others. We're all suffering from a very severe lack of T-Storms everywhere. But at least by coming here to videotape the waves, more than makes up for the dismal T-Storm season. I know. I guess I opened my flappy gumlets without letting my teeth shoot out like a machete gun in my prediction of a very active 2018 T-Storm season. Yep, I bet you if I kept my mouth shut, we would have had a lot of T-Storms this season. But in the meantime, we're here at Beaver Tail Lighthouse, having more of those beautiful waves, which I derive in so much of enjoyment in doing. Boy, if they ever took this place away from me, I don't know what I'd do. See, the sea breezes can take away the T-Storms away, but I hope they don't take away Beaver Tail Lighthouse away. Recently there was some severe T-Storms and even tornado warnings back on April 3rd, and Tony Florentino had some thunder, a lot of thunder on the day of the tornado warning. And of course I mentioned that day in 1974 it was a tornado super outbreak. I bet you a lot of people didn't know that when I talk about Beaver Tail Lighthouse, I could also be referring to Beaver Tail itself. That's a type of a part of a cloud that goes into a severe T-Storm cloud. The Beaver Tail, Wall Cloud, Bear's Cage. The Beaver Tail was a flat cloud that feeds into the Wall Cloud section. I know, it's true. That's what a Beaver Tail is. You may not get big waves from that Beaver Tail feeding into the Wall Cloud section of this tornadic T-Storm cloud, but at least you get a lot of lighting around it. But here you get big waves. So how do the ones today compare with April 5th when I was here 2 days ago? okay if it's cloudy. If the sun was out, I wouldn't be able to point in the east, because otherwise the sun would shine the camcorder lens. Oh yeah. Boy. I'll tell you, the only thunder you've been hearing this year is the crashing of the waves. At least you don't have to have lightning before the thunder when you hear the crashing of the waves. Again, the beaver tail was a part of a section of the supercell T-storm cloud that feeds into the wall cloud section. So, a little more news that one can use. Oh yeah, get those, boy, get those. Well, my good T-storm buddies, what do you think of this? Jason, Selwyn, you like this? Oh yeah, way to go, baby. Check out those waves, 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 waves. Ah, yeah. God, they're nice today. Believe me, they appear a lot bigger than they are. Number 21. How many times I've been here since my niece's 30th birthday, 9/20/87. She was born in 87. This was 9/20/17 I was here. Just hope they're no complete strangers here. There's no guarantee they won't have those life-threatening RSAs on them. Some people know about my horrible RSA phobia I've had for now over 45 years and counting. Yeah. Got a little wind here. And about 8 minutes in recording. See why the waves were a little bigger today than I thought they would be. We had a nice strong southerly wind that started around mid-morning and it kept on. You know, we had a little snow, but then the winds continued on until the cold front passed by last night behind the warm front. Got my younger sister here. I told her to bring her Fujifilm camera, take pictures of the waves. I don't know if she did it, and I'll find out when I'm through with this. Wow. Nice. I wish last October 30th I knew how to videotape waves here. You know, I had the Ziploc bag over the camcorder. I only wish, because the waves were really big back then. But of course, that was then and this is now. You know, already 5.5 months ago already. Alright, I'm going to see if I can walk towards the waves without tripping and falling. But then I lose the protection of that. When I come out here, then I get the wind. I don't have the Ziploc bag over the camcorder, but I do have them with me. I'm going to hold the microphone on the waves, but I'll still get close up to the waves. Okay, I'm about 10.5 minutes into the recording, so bear that in mind. I can just use my fat body to drown out the wind from hitting the camcorder microphone. Even that would help a lot. See, any trained baboon can blow in the microphone of the camcorder and make wind sounds, but I'd much rather get the sound of the waves. Well, I hope I got that. I hate zigging when I should be zagging. I'm pointing this way, the big splash is on that side. Did I get that? It's a pain in the ass when the wind blows, really. Unless it's blowing from the south. Kick up those waves. You know, it's in summertime we get the southerly winds, and that's when we get the muggy weather. Remember my complaints when I was sleeping inside of a biscuit warmer. Each time I come here, the waves are a little different, you know. I tell you, last March 4th, we had a real winter of a street of the big waves. Yeah, I'm going to go back over here. Yes. God, they built this platform in 1749. People that built this in 1749 had no idea that in 2017 and 2018 I'd be here videotaping. Of course, camcorders didn't exist in 1749. No, but cheap gas prices did. Okay, we might be able to do another clip, we'll see. Okay, I'm not to pause it momentarily because I'm up to near the 15-minute mark. Okay, pausing.